Okay, we are here in Aventi. This is 703. 3 floors. Washer and dryer. There's no electricity right now. It's a bank owned. The carpet is in good condition from the second floor. The stairs are not that nice. All the appliances are in. They look like if they are in good condition. There's no electricity. That's gonna be the inside of the condominium. Second bathroom. Master bedroom. It's missing the door. The walk-in closet. Looks like they just installed the carpet or something.